is the ultimate plant-based, family-friendly Italian pasta casserole. Crafted with protective diet principles, this recipe naturally cuts dietary fat while maintaining traditional flavors, making it perfect for reversing diabetes, eliminating obesity, and supporting our wellness achievements. Layered with plant-based ricotta and our quick red pasta sauce that eliminates the need of jarred sauces that often contain oil, sugar, chemical food additives, and preservatives. I took the red sauce and I gave it a little remake, a quickier remake, taking it off the stove, mixed in a jar, ready to go with, oh wow, yum, options on the recipe. You can take them or leave them. It's up to you. And master that melt and bake cheese. It's delicious on every protective casserole, French bread pizza, our plant-based Reuben. How about a kraut melt or a mock tuna melt? This cheese is one of my favorites and one plant-based recipe of the year in 2020. The optional sprinkle of oregano before the bake in the Breville or your conventional oven will create an aromatherapeutic experience that will have everyone circled around the table as you cut the slices of this casserole. It serves up like lasagna, but it's quick and easy, no layering. Just put it all together in the Instant Pot and then bake it to bubble up that cheese. Oil-free and nut-free, low fat. Always low fat, sugar-free, additive-free on a protective diet. The recipes are your guide to populate, promote, and protect your microbiome. Your resident health directors.